Success in beekeeping is a combination of knowledge, dedication, and strategic planning. With the right approach, you can potentially earn 5 to 7 lakh rupees in a month. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of honey bee farming, where the sweet rewards go beyond just honey. Stay tuned as we uncover the steps to potentially earn 5 to 7 lakh rupees in a month. Let's get started. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Before we jump into the earnings, it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals of beekeeping. Invest time in learning about bee species, hive management, and the necessary equipment. A strong foundation is key to a successful beekeeping venture. Step 2. Choosing the right location. Selecting the right location is paramount. Bees thrive in areas with abundant nectar sources. Ensure there's a variety of flowering plants around your apiary to provide a diverse diet for your bees, resulting in high-quality honey production. Step 3. Acquiring quality bee colonies. The heart of beekeeping lies in your colonies. Invest in healthy and genetically superior bee colonies. A strong and disease-resistant population will contribute to robust honey production, leading to higher profits. Step 4. Proper hive management. Regular hive inspections are crucial for the well-being of your bees. Maintain proper hygiene, check for diseases, and ensure the queen is active. Healthy hives mean productive hives, translating to more honey for you. Step 5. Harvesting techniques. When it comes to harvesting, timing is everything. Wait for the right moment when the honey is mature. Employ efficient extraction techniques to preserve the honey's quality. A well-executed harvest contributes to the market value of your product. Step 6. Diversifying your products. Don't limit yourself to just honey. Explore opportunities to diversify your product range. Beeswax, royal jelly, and pollen are valuable byproducts that can open up additional income streams. Step 7. Marketing and selling strategies. A successful beekeeping business requires effective marketing. Invest in attractive packaging, build an online presence, and explore local markets. Creating a brand identity will not only boost sales, but also enhance the perceived value of your products. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to kickstart your honey bee farming venture. Remember, success in beekeeping is a combination of knowledge, dedication, and strategic planning. With the right approach, you can potentially earn 5 to 7 lakh rupees in a month. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.